niece over in Asia right now, in Vietnam, and she's experiencing 95-degree weather. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, let's look over here. That's on the edge right there, that front edge. Man, the clouds. I don't know if you guys can see how the clouds are moving pretty quick here. Yeah, if anybody speaks Japanese, I can speak Japanese. I don't read Japanese very well. I used to live in Japan about 5 years. One thing you don't have in Japan a lot of is thunderstorms. I mean, you would think you would with all the crazy weather they get with typhoons and then they get earthquakes. Obviously, that's not weather, but yeah. My neighbors are moving today. I don't know if they're going to move today or not, though. Their big truck already left, though. Yeah, it's getting cooler. Who was going? Parker, do you eat raccoons? Raccoon? I don't think I would eat raccoon. That's a pretty gnarly animal. You don't even know what they're eating. That's part of the problem. I'm not Parker. My name is Dave. So, who's Parker? Yeah, it's kind of quieted down, but the rain's starting to pick up now. So that was the edge of the storm, and now we're starting to get more of the rain. Here we go. Let's see. You guys want me to point back over here so we get some lightning? Can you guys hear the difference? The rain's really picking up. Right there. Wow. Sorry, y'all. I missed that one. Woo! There you go. Oh, yeah. Now we're going to get it. It's hard for the camera to focus on the... wow. Now it's going to come down. Each time. Hard for the camera to focus on the sky, so let's see if we go. Please focus on the fence house. Yeah. They said 8 o'clock. Yesterday this morning, they said we were here by about 8. It's coming. But tonight is supposed to be the dangerous. That's over. We have a place called Saudi Daisy. Saudi's up that way. I live near Red Bank, Tennessee, which is Chattanooga, which is just a suburb a little bit to the west of Chattanooga. Actually, it lies within the city limits of Chattanooga, which is interesting. Like an enclave. Like Andorra or something. It is that bright. So we get some... You guys can feel free to ask me questions too. I don't mind, I'll answer. There we go, on to that. It's raining a lot. Chuva pa caramba. Lots of rain. Not a ton yet. There we go. I actually mowed my grass the other day. Turned my sprinklers back on. And usually when we get big storms, let's go back out of here. I think there's some, ooh, there you go. Some good lightning out that way. Wouldn't it be crazy to see that tree get lit up? That probably killed me though. I'm sure my son is awake. Probably wondering, what's Dad doing live on YouTube right now?